Welcome to the travel budget assignment for Microsoft Excel. I'm going to start with the basics here, looking at the ribbon. We're going to be inputting some information, and then we're going to mess with the cells and adjust them so that we know the formatting. At the very bottom here, you'll notice that I have lots of different, in this particular workbook, I have multiple sheets, and you're going to see just sheet 1. But what I want you to do is right-click on the sheet, and then I want you to rename it by typing in Project Budget. And then hit Enter. So now this particular sheet will have a name. Clearly, I've got a mistake here. I'm going to put a 1 because I already have one that's listed. So I'm going to change the name Project Budget 1. You just need to put Project Budget. So this is now your saved document. And in order to edit these, we need to select a cell. These are all cells. Cells will intersect at the column and the row. So if I want you to input something, I'm just going to say B1. And you click on B1, and we're going to type in it. So let's go to B1. And I want you to do the words travel plan. We're simply going to add stuff and learn how to edit later. In F2, I'm going to have you add in breakdown of expenses. Now you'll notice that these will also go way further than the one single cell. That's okay. We will adjust that later. So G2 is empty, right? And G1 has the text, and you can see that right there. Let's look at B3. B3, we're going to type the words total budget. B5, total expenses. And B7, difference. Feel free to pause the video anytime you need to so that you can get all these down. I'm now going to swing over to F4. I'm going to type in transportation, F5, lodging, F6, food, F7, entertainment, and F8, other. The next place we want to go to is going to be C12. Actually, I'm going to make it B12. Let's go to B12. Let's type in what are my expenses. And in B13, we're going to put description. In F13, now I'm clicking the tab button to move over, or you can use the cursor keys to the right. You can put category. In H13, tab, quantity. And I13, unit cost. And J13, amount. And I simply hit enter to get through them. Again, this is looking like a pretty rough template, but we're going to clean it up soon. Finally, I want you to go to I37. So find your I column and scroll down to 37, which is right here. And a great way to check where your boxes are is if I select this box, you can look at the letter, and then you can go to the number, and they should be both highlighted. Here, I want you to write the word total. Okay, and hit enter. So far today, step 1 is getting the basic information onto our spreadsheet. So take a few minutes to get this spreadsheet. You may go back and add these information in, and then we will format each of the cells and start to clean it up and make it look a little better. Ultimately, our project is going to look a little bit like this with some additional material later on. So, good work today. We'll talk later on.